we've been corresponding about the TWGS that I've been having trouble with. I apologize for bugging you so much. I was barking up the wrong tree after all. The problem is actually the power supply, which unfortunately I can't try to return in good conscience because I don't trust those crimp splicey connector things, so I desoldered them and soldered all the wires directly to your power supply board. So I guess I'm out of $70 for that, but that's what I get. So let me show you what's going on. There's a whole lot of ripple on every rail of this power supply, but I'll show you on the 5-volt rail because it's what I've got my scope adjusted for. So hang on just a second. Okay, so here the machine's powered up. Nothing's happening. It crashes even before the animation tries to come. If we look at the scope, you can see there that there's this funky ripple or something going on. And that's not as bad as it was to begin with. It seems like the longer the power supply is on, the lesser that becomes, and I guess that's why it was starting to work right after I'd been farting around with the thing for a while. But the deal is, see that low peak right there? Anytime, sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed. Don't want to stick the screwdriver in the wrong place and kill something. Anytime that I have that lowest peak adjusted to where it goes below 4 volts, that right there will probably work. Anytime that lowest peak there goes below about 4 volts, the machine won't start. But when I turn that up, note it's running 5.2 volts on average now, which is way too high. So I don't want to leave it on like this very long. But now it'll start up just fine. So that's pretty strange. Now here's the old power supply. 5-volt rail. It's running at 5.04 volts according to the scope, and it's a heck of a lot cleaner than that other supply. I'm still going to need to replace the fan that I stuck my finger into when I was wiggling stuff and broke, but that thing just flew to pieces. I've never seen one do that before. They usually just stop when I get into them. Oh well. But yeah, from the looks of the connector, I guess if this is just some kind of regular low profile like PC case fan or something like that, I guess I can just get one wherever if you don't want to mess with me anymore. Since I've been jerking you around so much, I do apologize again for being so dumb. I don't know what my problem is. The machine, well, the machine with only the transwarp installed runs fine on that power supply. So I don't know. I guess since I was a dummy and modified the kit in such a way that I can't return it, I'll just put my old power supply in and hope that it keeps working right. And I suppose I can always replace some capacitors someday if I have to. So anyway, yeah, I'm sorry for running you all around. I don't know, maybe I damaged something desoldering those connectors, but I used a desoldering gun and I didn't get anything too hot, I don't think. I don't know. I don't know. It's pretty strange. I don't know anything about switching power supplies, so I'm not sure what to troubleshoot. You would think that all these filter capacitors on the output rails would knock that ripple down, but I don't know. Pretty strange. Okay, yeah, thanks again, man. Apologize again for running you around. I'll talk to you some more in email here sometime.